Good morning, all.
Good morning, sir.
Had breakfast, Udank.
Not yet, sir. ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ.
Okay. How about others? Good morning, Nitish. Good morning, Rakesh. Good morning, Vamshi. Do you see the notepad on my screen? Please respond me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good morning, Aziz. I hope everyone are doing revision every day. Okay, or practicing. In the last class, I was telling you about loops, using the loops and printing the lists. Okay, I have given you various examples. So you can use the for loop to print the list elements. Okay, I have took here a list 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm printing that. Similarly, various examples. Okay, here in this program, we are concatenating the list elements with some message. Okay, if you want to insert any message, we must write that one in single quotes. Okay, see in this example you can see index is required here, so I'm placing that one and concatenating with the element. Okay, similarly I'm converting that one into string, and I'm also appending with some message in supply says. Okay, now even I told you about in and not in operators. That gives you true and false based on the element. If the element is present in the list, you'll get true. Else it will you'll get a false. Okay. Here also not in. Okay. If the element is not there in the list, means you'll get true. Else you'll get false. Okay. We did a small program for that. Okay. We are having some pet names: parrot, peacock, dog. We are asking the user to enter his favorite pet. Okay, if it is there means, if it is not there means we are giving message. Okay, I do not have any pet named. Else your pet is, we are giving some message. Okay, and even I told you to assign multiple list elements directly like this. Okay, the cat cat's attributes are placed in size, color and disposition, like that. We are breaking the list and we can place in the different items. Okay, now whenever we are specifying the number of items, they must be same. Okay, here we, in the list you are having 3, but here we are giving 4. Okay, what is not seen? in this example in this example I'm using 4 attributes. Okay, but in the list there are only 3. Okay, at that time it will give you error. It will slap you. Python will slap you. Okay, now similarly you can see, even I told you about the shorthand assignment operators. Okay, they are using replication. Yeah, even I told you about the replication also. And I told you about few methods. List is having few methods like index, append. Okay, like that. So today we are going to do index, example for index, example for append. Okay, similarly insert, remove, sort. Okay, and I'll be telling you about mutable and immutable data types. Mutable, immutable data types. Okay, they are very important. Immutable data types, and I'll give you some example about uh, tuples and strings. Brief introduction about the tuples and strings. They are similar to the list itself. Okay, now if you see here, there are various in this example. This is the example for index. I'm using spam is a list. It is having 4 elements. So I want the index of hello. Okay, we must use spam dot index and hello. Okay, it gives you 0. Similarly, howdy, if I want the index of howdy, we need to pass that one as an element. Okay, if you see the syntax, okay, how to use that one? Say object dot name of the method. Name of the method is index. Name of the method is index, and we need to pass the item. Okay, we need to pass the item. This is the syntax. This is the syntax. Okay, whenever we are passing the elements, that needs to be placed in a single quotes. Try to remember that whenever so I have did various things. Just I'll clear. So if you see here, I have to list spam. Okay, this is a textbook example. It is having four words. Okay, or 4 items. We say them as items. The elements in the list is known as items. Okay, just I will paste it. Okay, now if I want the index of high. Okay, spam dot index, we must use the method as index, and we need to pass high. Okay, is it correct? Spam dot index high, please type in the chat box if it is wrong. No. Okay, good. Here we must give the element in single quotes. Okay, so what will be the output for that? You will get as 1. Similarly, say I want the index of hairs. Okay, you'll get as 3. Okay, like that. Index is used to get the index of the particular item. Okay, that is one of the example. Similarly, the next method is append. Okay, as the name suggests, append will add the element. You see there, in this example we took cat, dog and bat. Okay, we want to add moose. Okay, so we are using spam dot append dot moose. Okay, syntax, if you want the syntax of that, if you want to use the syntax of that, syntax will be object dot append, and we need to pass the element which we need to insert. Okay, so I'll say that one as item, that must be given in single quotes. It will be added at the end, added at the end of the list. Okay, this you must know. So in this example, I'll take the same example. I'll paste it now. Spam dot append. Say I want to append parrot. Okay, you see there, it is appended. Now how to know that? How to know the list of elements? What I need to type? Please type in the chat box what I need to type to get the elements. I want to know whether it is appended or not. How to check that one? Okay, good. Abhishek says we must type spam. Okay, good, Abhishek. Say we need to type spam. Okay, you see there, parrot has been appended. Similarly, say I want to append peacock. Okay, you can use the arrow marks. Okay, so that we will get the previous command. Just to change that one to peacock. So type enter. Now again you check whether it has been appended or not. You see that peacock has been appended. Okay, Similarly, say I want to add, say I want to append a tiger. Okay, now we'll check with the tiger has been appended. Okay, similarly, I'll take one more list. Always why the textbook examples. List one, it is having 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, now I want to insert 6 in it. I want to insert 6 in it. Okay, L1 dot append 6. Okay, now see, whenever we are inserting elements, whenever we are inserting integers, no need to give brackets, no need to give single quotes. Okay, you see there it has been inserted. So we will try this time with appending 7. Okay, say 7. Now will it get appended? Can you type me in the chat box? We are saying that one as 7 as a string. Okay, it is appended, but it will be treated as probably as the string. Okay, you see there it has been treated as a string. Okay, but we don't want that one. We want 7 to be inserted. Okay, if you want to insert the 7, so L1 dot append 7. Okay, now we will check whether it has been appended or not. It has been appended. 7 has been appended. Okay, in this example, Moose has been appended. Similarly here, JavaScript frameworks. Okay, I think everybody knows what is JavaScript. These are the different flavors of the JavaScript. jQuery, JSON, React.js, AngularJS. These are the examples for the JavaScripts. Okay. Now, say I want to add one more thing. Dot append is there any JavaScript framework? Can you tell me any JavaScript framework apart from them? I hope every one of you know this: jQuery, JSON, React.js. Okay, any one of you? Just see in the Google and type me Node.js. Good, Vamshi, very good. Node.js. Okay, say I'll be appending this. So I want to check whether it has been appended or not. See there, jQuery, JSON, React.js, AngularJS. Now Node.js has been inserted at the end. Okay. Now you see here, I took one more examples, singers. A list of singers. So now I want to insert in the singers. I want to insert Ananya Bhatt. Okay, or append Ananya Bhatt. So it has been inserted. Now if you want to check that, just view singers list. So it has been appended. You see there, Ananya Bhatt has been appended at the end of the list. Okay. Similarly, I took one more example, musicians. I took 2 musicians, Hamsalekha and Arjun Janya, and I'm appending with Ravi Basrur. Okay, so you are going to get the list with Hamsalekha, Arjun Janya, and Ravi Basrur. Okay, now similarly, the next function is insert. The next method is insert. Okay, the specialty of insert is we can insert wherever we want. We can insert wherever we want. Okay, but not at the end. Okay, wherever we want, we can insert. We can insert in the list. Say if you want the syntax, if you want the syntax will be object, syntax will be object, insert method name. Okay, first here we must specify the index. Here we must specify the index where we want to insert and the item which we want to insert. Okay, that is the syntax. Everybody must know the syntax. Okay, you see there, I have to take an example: cat, dog, and bat. Say I want to insert chicken at 1. Okay, 1 means in the place of dog. Okay, so that will be replaced with chicken. You see there. So we can check this. We can check this. Say, just I'll clear the screen. Say I'll take spam. Spam is equal to, okay, say I'll take some names, some random names: tiger, okay, parrot, peacock, now if you see the list, it is having tiger, parrot, and peacock. Say I want to insert dog in between tiger and parrot. Okay, if you want to insert dog in between tiger and parrot, okay, how to do that? Please type in the chat box. We want to insert dog in the place of parrot. Okay, please type in the chat box. Okay, Durga Devi says spam dot append dog. Where is the where is the index? The index for parrot is 1. Okay, you see there, in place of parrot we want dog. Okay, so what we need to do? Spam dot insert. We must give the index for parrot is 1. Okay, and we must give the element which we want to insert. Say we want to insert dog. Okay, you see there, it has been inserted. You want to check means just click spam. Okay, tiger, dog has been placed in the position of 1. Okay, now similarly, say I'll take musicians. Okay, I'll take musicians, say some random names. Okay, like I'll take some random names. I'll take Hamsaleka. Say, you want A.R. Rahman? Good. Okay. Similarly, Guru Kiran. Say, I want to insert. Say, I want to insert Arjun Janya in the place of A.R. Rahman. How to do that? Please type in the chat box. I want to insert Arjun Janya in the place of A.R. Rahman. Please type in the chat box. Arjun Janya in the place of A.R. Rahman. Please type in the chat box. Okay, musicians dot insert 1 comma Arjun Janya. Namrata says good. So musicians dot insert. Say Just I'll clear the things. Say musicians dot. Say we want to insert Arjun Janya at the place of A.R. Rahman. A.R. Rahman's index is 1. Okay, 1 comma. Here you give the name Arjun Janya. Okay, you give the space. Now you enclose that. It has been inserted. If you want to check means, again you must give musicians. Okay, it has been inserted. You see that Arjun Janya is in the place of 1. Okay, now again I will try to clear the thing. These are single commands. That's why I'm using interactive cell, or else I could have typed in PyCharm. Okay, you see in this example, we are having Amsaleka Hari Krishna is inserted in the place of 1 here. Okay, like that. Again, we have inserted Guru Kiran at the place of 1. Okay, like that. You see, and the next example is remove. Okay, we can use the remove element. If you want to remove any element, we can use the remove. Okay, so if you want the syntax will be, anybody can type the syntax for remove by saying this example. Syntax for remove. Okay, see this example and type me. Type the syntax of remove method by saying the example. See the above example here. Good. Object, remove, and the item. Okay. Good. That is the syntax. Syntax for removing an element. Everybody must write the syntax whenever you are explaining the things in the exam. Okay. So spam, not spam. Okay. Object. I must generalize. Object dot remove. Okay. Object dot remove and the item, whichever we want to remove, that must be placed within quotes. Okay, in this example we are having a list with elements cat, bat, rat, and elephant. So we want to remove the bat, so we need to pass that one. Now remove will remove the bat from the list, so you can check there cat, rat, and elephant. We don't have bat there. Okay, so we can check this. Just I'll copy this, I'll paste it. Okay, so I'll try to remove spam dot. Say I'll check spam is having all these things. Now spam dot remove. Say I want to remove bat from here. So if I give only bat, okay, again Python will give you left and right. Okay, it will slap you. So you must give that one within single quotes. Okay, you see there spam, it has been removed. Okay, so whenever what does remove do? It removes the elements. Removes the elements. Removes the elements, the desired elements from the list. Okay, this is the definition. Okay. Now, the next function is sort. Okay. How many types of sort will be there? What do you mean by sorting? Can anyone define what is sorting? In brief, a brief message. What is sorting? How can you define sorting? Any one of you? Sort. Any one of you? sort. What is sort? Arranging the elements. Arranging elements. Okay. Arranging elements in particular order. Good. Okay, good, Durga Devi. It may be ascending or it may be descending. Okay. So the syntax, even in the list elements can also be sorted. Divya says arranging elements in ascending or descending order. Good. Say syntax, the object and the sort. Again, we'll be having different versions of that. Even we can do reverse. Okay. Reverse is equal to true. If I do like that, it will be sorted in reverse order. You see there, spam. I have to get spam list. It is having a 2, 5, 3.14, 19, minus 7. When I click sort, it will be sorting in ascending order. Okay, it will be sorting in ascending order. Default is ascending order. Okay, say I want that one to be done in a reverse order. We must give reverse is equal to true. Okay, reverse is equal to true. So we can do this. Similarly, you see the example here. One more example. Spam is a list filled with different ants, cats, dogs, badgers, and elephants. Say these are not in alphabetical order. Okay, if you want that one to be done in alphabetical order, we need to use spam dot sort. Okay, so you can see there ants, after that badgers, after that cats, after that dogs, after that elephants. Okay, it is done in alphabetical order. A, comma, B, comma, C. Okay, like that. In ascending order. Okay. Now, similarly, if you see the next example, if we give that one as reverse is equal to true. Okay. Reverse is equal to true. That means it will start from elephants. It will start from E. Okay. Then D. Okay. Then C. Okay, like that. Okay. So we can do these examples. So I'll take some new things. Spam is equal to say 1, comma 34, comma 45, comma 20, comma minus 8. Okay. Now I'll type enter. If you see spam, you are having the list. Now spam dot sort. Okay. If I do this, it will be sorted. Now can you type me the result, what we may get the output? Please type in the chat box, every one of you. See the list of elements: 1, 34, 45, 20, minus 8. If I type spam, okay, what will be the output now? Please type in the chat box. Abhishek says every one of you. I will wait for every one of output. Vaishnavi, Kavya, every one of you. Nearly 49 members are there. Everybody must type now. Minus 8, 20. You see there. I'll put the screen one more time. 1, 34, 45, 20, minus 8. Okay. It will do in ascending order. Sort will do in ascending order. Okay. Every one of you. Udank, Ritvik, Sushma. Just I want to check whether you are there or not. Priya, good. Divya, Sindhu. Others, Niharika, did you type? Anjana, good. Bindu, every one of you. Survi, Surabhi, Karthik. Good, Surabhi. Okay, good. Just to keep you interacting, that's all. Okay. I don't want to hurt you. Just I want you to be interactive, that's all. So if I type this, you're going to get minus 8, 1, 20, 34 and 45 in ascending order. Say I want that one to be in a reverse order. Okay, I want that one to be 45, 34, like that. How to do that? How to do that? Please type in the chat box. Please type in the chat box in the reverse order. Spam dot sort is equal to reverse is equal to true. Good. Very good. Good, Namrata. Say you must give spam dot, okay, reverse. Reverse. Okay. So sort. Say sort within the bracket. Here it is reverse. Okay. Reverse is equal to true. Now we can check this. We are getting some error. We are getting some error. So what is the error? True is not defined. True is not defined. It must be given in capitals. It must be given in capitals. So it has been sorted. Say I want to check that. I want to check that. Spam. Okay, you see there we got 45, 34, 21, -8. Did in reverse order. Did in reverse order. Okay. Now just I will clear the things. Import OS dot system dot CLS. Okay, now I'll see one more example. I took one more example. It is little interesting example. Film industry. I took list of film industry. Okay, where we are having names like Bollywood, Tollywood, Sandalwood, Collywood, Mollywood, Gollywood. Okay, Bollywood, Hollywood. Okay, Hollywood also there in our India only. Okay, I don't know from which state. So I'll copy this. I'll copy this. I'll copy the entire list. Okay, now I'll go there. I'll paste here. I'll paste here. I'll type enter. I want to check the list. I want to check the list. Just I must give film underscore industry. Okay, I'll type enter. We got the list. Now we want to sort it. It is not sorted. Okay, you see that Bollywood and Tollywood and Sandalwood, Collywood is here. So we want to sort that. We want to sort that. We must call the function dot sort. Okay, now you want to check that. If you want to check that, you see the previous command and you type enter. See there, it has been sorted. B, G, K, okay, M, O, P, S, and T. Okay, it has did in alphabetical order, ascending order of the alphabets. Okay, if you want to do that in the reverse order, if you want to do that one in the reverse order, sort reverse is equal to true. Okay, is it correct? What will be the output for this? Reverse is equal to true. Many of you will type like this. That's why error. Durga Devi says error. Okay. See here. It is an error. Many of you, what you do is you will give this one as in the single quotes. No, reverse is a keyword. Reverse is a keyword. So after that, we must remove this one as, okay, here it must be capital T. Here it must be capital T. Now you want to check. If you want to check that, you see there T, Tollywood, Sandalwood, Collywood, Hollywood, Mollywood, Collywood, Gollywood, and Bollywood. Okay. It has been done in the reverse order. It has been done in the reverse order. Now, similarly, you see there the next example. The next example, we took integers and it is an heterogeneous. It is an heterogeneous list. Okay, it can't do the sorting for the heterogeneous list. Okay, so you'll get an error. You'll get a error. Okay, I'll copy this thing. I'll copy this thing. It is having integers and strings. It is having integers and strings. Python will get confused. Python will get confused. Spam dot sort. Okay. So it is saying not supported between instances of string and int. Sort is not supported for the different instance of string and integers. That is a message. It is a type error message. Okay. It is a type error message. Everybody must focus on the errors. Okay. Everybody must focus on the errors. Now, this is one of the example for lists. Magic ball. We did this one previously in previous chapter. Okay. See here, we are using else if. We are generating a random number. We are generating a random number in between 1 and 9, and we are giving some message. If we get if system generate 1, okay, 1 will be the message like it is a certain. It's some similarly if it generates 9, it will give you message like very doubtful. Okay, like that. This is a simple game. This is a simple game. Okay, it's known as Magic 8-ball game. Okay. We did this in the previous chapters. Okay, whatever the system generated, that is stored in fortune. Okay, and we are printing fortune. Fortune is nothing but the message. Okay, now if you want to improve that, we are placing all these messages. We are placing all these messages in a list. You see a list. What is the name of the list here? What is the name of the list here? Please type in the chat box. We have imported random. Similarly, we took some list. What is the name of the list? Messages. Okay, good. You see there, we took a list. We have placed all those messages. It is certain, it is decided. So okay, so all these messages in a list, and we try to print them. Okay, this line will generate a random number. Okay, and the particular index, if it is generate 1 means, we will get messages of 1. We will get messages of 1. Messages of 1. Okay, it happens like this. If it generates 2 or if it generates 7, 7 will be printed. The index at 7, that message will be printed. Okay, we will try to execute that. Already I have typed that in the PyCharm. Okay, multiple statements are there. That's why I'm using PyCharm. So I will uncomment this. I think there are no errors. Okay, there is some error here. It's not, it is just a comment. I'll comment this. Now I'll run this. Shift F10. We got message like ask again later. The system has generated 5. Okay, and this is displayed. Okay, this is by using else if. Okay, now similarly I'll comment this. I'll go for the next example. It is the minimized version. I'll comment these things. You see there, I have put that one in all the messages in a list messages. Okay, now this function will generate some number. Okay, and we are doing -1 because if it generates 7, it will display 7 minus 1, 6. Okay, which is at the 6th location. So if I run this, it is decided so. That means it has been generated the random number 2. Okay, now what is the advantage of doing like this? What is the advantage of doing lists here? Can you tell me what is the advantage of doing lists? with the same program with lists. Time saving, good. Even the number of lines is also saved. Less coding, good. Abhishek says less coding, good, very good. You see there, you see there, how many lines are there? Many lines. You see there, here 25 lines, 25 lines in the previous version. If you see here, for this it is from 31 to 42, 12 lines, only 12 lines. It has been reduced half of the lines. We have eliminated half of the lines. Okay, good. Now the next thing is we need to talk about strings. I think everybody knows the definition of strings. Strings are lists of characters. Strings are lists of characters. Similarly, they are similar to lists. Okay. Now, if you see here, it must be enclosed within single quotes. You see the example here, Zophie. Zophie is enclosed within single quotes, and we are assigning that one to name. Okay. We can access the individual elements by using indexes. Okay. We can use negative indexing also. Now, if you want to print from Z to H, we can use slicing. Okay, this is known as slicing. Now, even we can use the operator in. We want to check whether Zoe is there in Zophie. Okay, Zoe is there in Zophie. That's why you'll get that one as true. If it is not there, it will give you false. You check here Z in name. It is there. Okay. Z in name. It is not there because it is small letters. But here we are having capitals. Okay. So we are getting that one as false. Now we will type the same thing here. Just I will clear the screen. Import os.system. Now I took name. Name is equal to Zophie. Is it correct? Please type in the chat box. I'm talking about strings. You tell me, is it correct? Quotes. Good. Shashank says no. Good. Say I must enclose within this one in single quotes. Zophie in single quotes. Okay. Now I want E. Okay. How to access E? What is the index for E? What is the index for E? It starts from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and please type in the chat box. Okay, good. We can use -1 also. Sarah Batul says we can use -1. We got E. Similarly, we may use 5 also. Okay. Similarly, if you try to out of index, it will give you some mistake. String index is out of range. It is index error. See the error. Everybody type down the type of error. Please, everybody type the name of the error. Okay, in the chat box, every one of you. Index error, good. Out of range, good. Index error, everybody. Good. Now similarly, we can use in operator. We may use in operator. Say I want to check I in name. Okay, what will be the output for this? Whether I is there in the list. What will be the output for this? I in Zophie. I in name. Please type me in the chat box. I in true. Good. Abhishek says true. You see there I in name. Okay, say sorry. We must give single quotes. You see there, it is true. Okay. Now we want to check. We want to check uh, S S S in S in S in name. Okay. What will be the output for this? S in name. S in name. Index error. No, not index error. S in name. Please type in what will be the output? False. Good. You see there? S in name. It is false. You got false. Say similarly, we can directly give the string name. We can directly give some string name. S in CEC. Okay, we can do like this. You see there? It is false. Similarly, C in CEC. If I type enter, it is true. Similarly, we will check for not in. We will check for not in. Z not in, not in, not in name. Okay. What is the output for this? Please type in the chat box. Z not in. I must give in quotes. Z not in name. It is true. Okay. Because in the Z we are having capital Z, capital Zophie. It is capital Zophie. Okay. Z is not there. Now similarly, I in name. I not in name. I not in name. Okay. It will be false. It will be false. Okay. Now similarly, I'll take one more example. I'll take one more example. Say H in college. H in college. Okay. Say not in. We are doing for not in. H not in college. Okay. You see there, it is true. H is not there in the college. It is true. Okay. Now if you see G, it will be false. It will be false. Okay. Now similarly, this is one of the example where we are trying to we can get all the elements by using for loop. By using the for loop. Okay. We can get all the elements of the string name by using for loop. Okay. I have already typed this. Just I'll comment this. I'll uncomment this. Okay. See here. First I value will be Z. Okay. After that, I value will be O. After that, it will be P. It will be H. It will be I, and it will be E. Okay. We are appending with some stars, some design. Okay. So if I run this, you see that we got Zophie. Okay. We got Zophie. So this is the example. For using for loop and accessing the individual characters of a string. Okay. Now similarly, one more example. I'll uncomment this. Okay, I have initialized the string country with India. Okay, and I'm printing all the elements. It will be capital I, it will be capital N, capital D, capital I, and capital A. Okay, if I run this, we got INDIA. Okay. So I think we can stop here. In this session, you learned various functions like remove, insert. Okay. Insert, remove, index. Okay. I have explained you with various examples, sort, all those things. And I told you about what is string. Okay, append. Good. Okay, we can stop here. Try to practice every day. Thank you, every one of you.